A lot of YouTubers keep wondering what is happening to their watch hour, why their watch hour keep reducing, and why they can't even make a hell or tail of what is happening because they have done everything they need to do. They have done all they are following the rules and regulation, the policies, and yet their watch hour and keep reducing, keep dropping. I'm going to be showing you in this video why it is dropping and why those things are happening. Some of them are the ones you are making, and the ones are the ones that you're not making. So let's go into it right away. Number one of it is deleting a video. Yes, you made a video and you are not you don't like the video, or maybe the video have been going on well and you're getting views, getting watch hour, maybe the little ones you have gotten, and you decided that, oh, I don't want this video in my channel again. Maybe what you said or what happened in that video, and you decided not to leave it in your channel. Instead of deleting that video, all you need to do is to put it unlisted. Yes. So why do I say that? Because if you delete a video, every views, every watch hour that comes with that video will go with it. So that is one particular mistake that YouTubers make, not just new YouTubers, but all YouTubers. So if you delete any video, remember, if you're not yet monetized, the views, the watch hour that comes with that video will go with it. And then number two is, which all of us know, is staying when you already 1 year on YouTube and you're not yet monetized. The watch hour you have accumulated will start dropping. Like now, let's just say this is January 2025, and then you made a video on today's date. Yeah, January 2025. Then when it's January 2026, that same day, actually any video or any or watch hour you accumulated on that particular day will go. And that is why it's as if when your channel has stayed up to 365 days or stay 1 year, the watch hour keep dropping and keep decreasing. So that is it. So try as much as you can to get your watch hour and get your channel monetized in the space of that 365 days. And then the third one, the watch hour you have gotten from your short form videos. Yes, in your dashboard, both the ones you have gotten from your short form video and long form videos are showing, accumulating, and you'll be excited, oh, my watch hours are there. But when you get to your end section, that is the main one, the major one. So YouTube will show you the one that the long form got and the one that that comes from the short, because watch hour for short is for short, watch hour for long form video is for long form video. So it's either you decide that you want to monetize with your short form video or your long form video. So anyone you want to monetize with, you work on it and get those ones to improve, and then get monetized with it. So we all know that if you want to get monetized with your long form video, you need to get your 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hour. But if you want to do half of it, you need to get 500 subscribers and then 3,000 watch hour. And then you monetize with your long form video. And if it's for short form video, you need to have your 3 million for half of it and then 10 million for full monetization. So you can see, so it's not left for you to know whether you want to monetize with short or with form. Let me not digress. So what am I trying to say? Why your watch hour keep reducing? I've already mentioned number three. And the fourth one is when your videos are on private. So if you make a video and the video has gotten a lot of views and watch hour, and you decided to put it on private when you are not yet monetized, after some days, the watch hour and the views will also be private. It will not be counted for your monetization. So any video you want to put on private, make sure that you already monetize. Make use of all the watch hour that you have gotten from that video, get monetized, and then you can now put them on private. So that's what I'm saying. It's not good for you to put your videos on private. Instead of putting them on private, put them on unlisted. And when you put it on listed, the views and the watch hour can still count for you. Yes. So that's the last one but not the least is the watch hour that you have gotten from your live streaming. Yeah, if you go on a live stream and you are excited, for those that would rest stream, they want to go live for as long as maybe they've gotten a lot of traffic watching that live stream and they decide to stay longer than they they can, so that they can get everything at once. As long as your time you have stayed on that live stream has passed 12 hours, that watch hour will not be counted. So it will be as good as everything wasted. So if you are doing a live streaming and you are happy that you are getting watch hour and you are getting traffic, do as much as you can to limit it 11 hours, 30 minutes maximum. Yes. Don't even trick yourself to get it to 12 hours, because most times it's we get to 12 hours and for some minutes and then all the watch hours will not count. So if you're on a live stream, whether in a rest stream or direct live streaming, as long as you have exceeded the time, which is 12 hours, the watch hour you have gotten from those live streaming will not count. So these are very, very important. If you are wondering what is happening to your channel and why the channel is not, the watch hour is not growing as it should, these are the reason. So if you're watching for the first time, don't forget to subscribe, like, and share, and see you in my next video.